Okay, so here's the simple truth. When you're choosing the best pre-workout supplement, it can help you feel more energized and ready for exercise. The best pre-workout supplements are special powders and drinks that you take before working out. They give you a boost to help you perform better. So one popular ingredient in many pre-workouts is caffeine. Caffeine can help you increase your energy and your focus, making it easier for you to push through your workouts. Another important ingredient is beta-alanine, which helps reduce muscle fatigue. This means you can work out longer without getting tired too quickly. When picking a pre-workout, it's essential to look for one that has no artificial flavors or colors. You want a supplement that's safe and healthy for your body. It's also a good idea to check how much caffeine that it has, okay? Especially if you're sensitive to it. Some people might feel like jittery, if they have too much. So remember, drink plenty of water when you're using a pre-workout supplement, at least 4 liters a day. I know you think maybe it's a lot. Staying hydrated is important for your health, and it helps you perform at your best. So always talk to a parent or a doctor before you start any new supplement, especially if you're still growing. Find the right pre-workout to make your workouts more effective, okay? You can even have just black coffee. That's what I do. Nothing inside. It doesn't even break your fast if you fast.